Trump said China pays the tariffs. Nah, that's not just wrong. It's some next-level dumb shit. Here's how it actually works. Walmart buys a microwave from China. It costs them $50. But the U.S. government adds a 40% tariff. That's $20 extra. Walmart has to pay that $20 to the U.S. government, not China, not to the factory, straight to Uncle Sam. China already got paid when they made the microwave. They're chillin'. Now, Walmart's not just gonna lose money out of kindness. Their investors would freak the fuck out. So they raise the price. That microwave used to cost $79 in store? Now it's $99. Same product, higher price. And guess who's covering that extra cost? You, dummy. Even American-made microwaves go up. Why? Because if the import's $99, the US one can now be $94 and still look like a deal. They raise prices too. Because they can. Welcome to fucking capitalism. And it's not just microwaves. Trump's tariffs raise prices on anything with imported parts. Cans, packaging, labels, groceries, higher, toilet paper, higher, soda, higher. All that America first shit, it's fucking your bank account. Then other countries slap their own tariffs on us. So now American farmers can't sell as much overseas. Jobs get cut. Small businesses get squeezed. And the people getting hit hardest? Regular folks. You. Trump said China pays? That's a flag-wrapped fairy tale. You got taxed. You got lied to. And you're still clapping for it? Fuck that. Do better.